unboxing now. It's my ring light I purchased at LAZADA, and I think it's been a month ever since I bought it, so let's check this out. Okay, forgot to see how many inch this one, but later on I'm going to put this, how many inch this one, in my description box later. So let's open it. Can I open it? Can I open it?
Yes.
Here it goes. So it's big. It's quite big, and I think it's good. Big is better. Okay. So malaki pa siya sa mukha ko. This is how it looks, diba? Kasyang-kasya yung mukha ko. So ayan siya. Okay. This is how it looks like. So this is how big it is. This one have here the power button. I think this one is for the light, to increase the light, and then this one is to decrease. And I don't know what this one for. So this is it. Okay. Behind there is USB plug here, and this one I think for the plug, for the power plug, I think so. Okay. By the way, it also comes with this one, with the stand. It also comes with the stand. It does comes with a remote control as well. So here it is. We also have the remote control for this one. So this one, and they also got the free battery. And this one is the plug, the power plug for the ring light. Okay, this is the power plug for the ring light, and it's in USB a USA cable one, because in UK we have our plug here in Singapore is same as the UK. The UK one got the three. I don't know how you call that one. Let's try to see this one. How long is this one? It's quite long, I think. It's like 1 meter long, 1.5 meter long. Let's see. And I have the remote control as well. So this one is the remote control. Looks like this. It's quite sturdy, and you can make it longer. You can adjust it, make it longer as well. So this is how it looks like. So later on, I'm gonna open the light and do some reviews about my ring light that I purchased. Let's see how bright it is, because I think that there is a 3 adjustment for the brightness and how do you want it bright or not, and also have the yellow color. So later on, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So let's see how is the brightness for this one. This is the yellow one, and this is kasilaw siya. So the color is like this for the yellow one. This is the brightest, I think. So you can see it on my eyes. So this is the brightness for this yellow color. Let's see. Okay. And this one is the white color one. It's the white color one. So it's more brighter like this. adjust it. If you want to make it dimmer, you can adjust this one. So, okay. So this is the dimmer one. Okay. Okay, this is the brightest. And we change. This one is the yellow color, and this one is the brightest. So as you can see, okay, this is the yellow color, and this is the brightest. Okay, this is the medium one, but it doesn't look nice. It becomes so bright. You can see it's too bright, so you make it more dimmer, so it will be nicer as like that one. And the white color is this. It's too bright, you know. Okay, so let me know what is your opinion about this ring light. And it's really helpful if you're doing vlogs, because it makes you look more nicer and brighter. Your feature become brighter. See? You can see. Alright, so that's it for now, and I'm gonna see you on my next vlog. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and his channel as well. He also have his own channel, so it will be on my description box below. This is my handsome boy. This is my sweetest boy, Aaron Zaki.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Tomorrow.